Here we are. I think there's something cool around the corner up here. Possibly not, I could be wrong, but it's a pretty cool view. Let me walk through anyway. And yeah, I am wearing desert boots, but I have Gore-Tex socks on underneath them. So my feet aren't getting wet. And it's, despite all the snow on the ground, it's pretty freaking warm today. It's about 55 or 60 degrees right now, I'd say. Which is not normal for the month of January, I don't think. I thought there was some rocks up here to the left. Back in there, I believe there is. Gonna have to cross the creek again. That looks like better crossing down here. I was gonna just bear down and go across that deep part there and fuck around. This ain't bad. And I believe, there's all kinds of critters down here. There's coyotes, and I believe I've even seen bobcats. That's what it looks like to me, but could be wrong. And there's been black bears not far from here sighted, so never know what you're going to see out here. Sometimes I find fossils in the fucking rocks. So hopefully we find something pretty cool either to look at or to get checked out, see what it is. Tracks back there that look like it's dog tracks. That might be a coyote that we're seeing a lot of sign of down here. Let's see. Looks like we're going to cross again, huh, Lewis? He's already on it. And let's see. Getting a little deep, bud. Hold on. Shit, man. Yeah, it's kind of a little deep pocket over there. We'll walk right up the fucking middle here. This other creek feeds in. A little shallow fucking shelf of rocks right through here. We can get on. I definitely feel the temperature change though. With Gore-Tex socks or not, you can feel the water. It's cold. Keep going. But yeah, definitely my feet are not wet, so can't beat that shit. Cool your feet off. Not get them wet. Pretty good deal. And I was issued those when I was in the Army, so that was just like a sweet bonus. When I got out, I ended up with a couple pair. And we'll just fucking hop on little gravel bars up through here and see if we can't see something cool. Come on, Lou. Yeah, I might have. No, I think we're headed to the right place. Never here to do this. Do this shit. Yeah, I think there's a cool place back in here. Well, this whole place is fucking cool. So. As you see, the creek got a little fucking deeper there. A little bit too deep for my Gore-Tex socks to handle. But we're on the other side, and Lewis is having a good time. I'm having a good time. But the bird don't cross again up here. Take a shallow spot, maybe. If not, we're gonna have to figure something else out. But no, it looks like I can get across that. Oh fuck. That was almost a fucking disaster. Oh, gonna have to make it quick for this. Yeah, it looks like this shit's a little farther than what I thought, so.